Today we're making grilled cheese sandwiches in the oven because it has come to my attention that some people have a hard time making grilled cheese in a skillet on the stove because they want to flip it all the time. By the time they're done, they're all falling apart and smashed and all that kind of stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to do them in the oven. We're going to do 8 of them at a time. And what you need is some margarine. I have American cheese, provolone cheese. They melt good, so I'm going to put that in there. And what you do first is butter one side of the bread. So I did all these already. We're just going to flip them so the butter side's down on the pan. I have just a regular cookie sheet lined with parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Then we're going to put some cheese on it, 2 pieces. We're going to make some provolone and some American. You can use whatever cheese you like that melts good. You don't want a hard cheese because then it won't melt right and it'll be hard and fall apart. So I always use usually provolone, mozzarella, and American in mine. Like I said, I put 2 pieces on each. Just stagger it a little bit, just like that. You put them on the bread. Just put it so it's not hanging off the bread too much. Just right to the edge. Okay. We have our oven preheating at 400 degrees. You want to make sure that's good and preheated before you put these in. You need them to be not touching each other either because you need a little room for flipping. Because halfway through we're going to flip them. Now in case you want to see how much butter we put on the bread, it's just one little slather like that. And that's all you need. One little layer. Then you just stick it right on top of the cheese. We just butter it like that. You don't want too much, you just want it covered. Okay? And we're going to take our bread and put it over top our cheese, just like that. I have all the other ones buttered here. So, just going to put it right over top. And sometimes I even put the bologna inside the cheese too. So you have a bologna and cheese sandwich. Grilled cheese sandwich in the oven. So once you get all them done, then we're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. And then flip them. Make sure your oven is preheated on 400 degrees. Okay, they have been in the oven for 10 minutes. You see they're starting to get a little brown. We're going to flip them over. Just like that. All of them. See how they're getting lightly brown? Okay. And we're going to put them in for 10 more minutes. And that should be done. Okay, oven timer has just went off. They are nice and golden brown on both sides. See? And nice and fluffy. They're not smashed and all the cheese leaking out and all that. They're just perfect grilled cheese. Hope you like your baked grilled cheese. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.